What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another Freestyle Mondays tutorial. My name is Tino Daly, and for this week's design, I'll be exploring a glass silver theme style Apple logo design. So without further ado, let's get right into it now. Alright, so first I'm gonna change from a solid fill here to a light gray, white to gray, because we want the look of the silver. And I'm gonna increase the size here just a little bit. And then what I have in mind is just to create some other circles with a variation of the black to white gradient, so that I can have some glass edge to it. You see what I mean here in just a bit. So I'm gonna change this to radial gradient, and I'm going to convert this to, let's say, multiply. Let's try overlay. Nope. Soft light, hard light. Alright, so that's the first one. Alright, so I'm gonna create a mask. So make a copy, bring it to front, then change the gradient to a solid color, and then select both objects, right click, make clipping mask. Alright, so that's my first rim right there. It's not looking too bad. Let me just move it down a little bit. Alright, so now I want like a sharp angle going across. I'm gonna change the gradient to a linear right here. And then we just change the angle a little bit so I get more of this triangle look. Alright, multiply. Let's try multiply this time. I'm gonna place that inside my mask here, so I just cut and paste. See how that works out. I'm gonna change my I'm gonna lower the opacity of my colors here so things look a little bit more transparent. Let's put it back in here where it belongs. It's not going into the mask. I wonder why. Okay, well, I can mask it out at the end. Let me just move this over here real quick. That's why we gotta experiment, guys, because you never know how things can, you know, take a left turn. Let me just use a lighter gray for right there. And then I think I want to put like a glow from coming from behind the rectangle here. So let's try that. Let's try an outer glow. I wonder how it reached to the white one, but let me see here. Is it working? So it's about time to wrap up this video. This exploration right here. Alright, let me just change the amount. 150. No. Something's different, guys. Something's different. Alright. Yeah, let me get rid of this outer glow and just do it the manual way, which is to use another gradient. Alright, so I got screen selected right here. That's how I can just quickly reverse that. Alright. No. Alright, let me just make a copy of the Apple logo. I'm gonna mask this shape. Maybe that's what I need to do. Make things a little bit more easier. It needs to be on top so that the mask works flawlessly. Alright, just like that. And I'm thinking of lowering the opacity of this circle right here. Let's do that for this one as well. And I'm going to change my leaf portion of the Apple logo here. Let's use the same gradient. And I'm thinking of using the strokes to create like an inner rim light. something like that. Not exactly. And finally, let's kind of like add a little drop shadow to the back. And let's do the same for this guy here. I'm thinking of wrapping this up like right now, guys. We're a little over time, but hey, that's it for this week's video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Took a little bit longer than expected, but I do hope you all learned something today. Thanks again for watching the video, guys. See you in the next video. Bye bye.